Miss Hemashri. I am studying in 11th standard in St. John's High Secondary School. Today I am going to deliver a speech about the importance of Independence Day. Our freedom struggle is very big and it cannot be described in one day. Independence Day is very important for every Indian. 74 years ago, the British ruled India. They came to India on the pretext of trade and took everything under their control and even made us their slaves. Then on 15th August 1947, India became independent after many agitations and battles. Many heroes sacrificed their lives who get freedom for our country. Due to the brave warriors of our country, we have become independent today, and today we pay this day to pay tribute to those brave warriors. Many great people were born in our country who did not even care about themselves and willingly sacrificed for our country. The most important contribution was paid by Mahatma Gandhi, who forced British to leave India by using weapons like truth and non-violence. The other freedom fighters like Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Chandrasekhar Azad and many others were contributed to the independence of our country. As we know that our country has been an agriculture country since ancient times, and after independence our agriculture sector has also changed a lot. Our India is writing a new chapter every day in different sectors like medicine, education, technology, sports and many other fields. We are adopting science and technology in every field. On this occasion of independence, we are discussing about the progress of India, but we should never forget the scene of slavery where our great freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for freedom. I end my speech by paying tribute and respect to those great revolutionaries. Thank you so much for hearing my speech. Jai Hind.